This is the first time the Submariner fights Doctor Doom. Still unable to breathe underwater, Namor is weak and confined to the surface world. He's on the run and finds himself at the gates of the Latverian embassy. This is home to the one and only Victor Von Doom. Now, Namor didn't get such a friendly greeting when he stumbled on Doom's doorstep. He was bombarded with an array of Doom's various weapons. Once Victor finally greeted the Atlantean prince, he was treating him like an old friend. Doom had a proposal that if Namor surrendered his troops to him, he would give him what he needs to survive. Namor wasn't about that, and Doom declared the Submariner must die. They go back and forth for pages with non-stop action. Fists, furniture, and machines were all being used. There was no holding back in this one. Namor was clearly unmatched against Doom in this fight, and he used his quick thinking that led him to finally getting away.